There we go. All right, then we're going to need some flux, because without flux, and believe it or not, in some instances you don't even need flux. I mean, I'm able to weld some things without flux, you know. But you'll kind of learn what you need flux for and what you don't. All right, guys. Let's see if we can get our piece welded in here. Let's just see if we can. You bitch. Okay, so you see what happened there? Did you see that piece that blew out? So apparently it's been fixed or sized before. Somebody used easy solder. Because see, here's my solder right there. And you see it didn't even try to melt. So what happened is somebody welded it with easy solder. And the easy solder flowed well before the hard solder. So